a lot of mistakes USCIS applicants can make when they're filling out their own forms. Before you and your loved ones dive headfirst into paperwork, we got some advice from our trusted advisors at Immigration Law Council to help you out.
You know, it's always a good day when we've got Saman Movasagi-Gonzalez back in studio with us. I always learn a lot. I know ISF always learns a lot. Saman, welcome back.
Thank you so much.
Always good having you here. So today we get to break down mistakes that USCIS benefit applicants might be making in that process. In your great experience that you've had in the legal side of things, and especially here as our trusted advisor, what are these big mistakes you're seeing?
So we see a lot of common mistakes when it comes really to filling out the forms and understanding what process the person who's going through is exactly in. And because of the complexities of immigration and nationality law, a lot of times people don't understand or put as much value as they should in what exactly they are doing. And unknowingly, even a lot of times, it causes huge mistakes, life-changing mistakes, where a person, can even find themselves in deportation because of these mistakes. And it's not that they committed any crime or they did anything with malice, but because the government wants things done a certain way, and when you don't do it that certain way, there are consequences for that.
And the somewhat maybe scary part of some of this is that there can be some scenarios people might be in unknowingly that put them in this.
No,
so break that down a little bit.
Yes, they'll file the wrong form and they think that that form will cover this benefit, but because now there may be a gap in their status, they are subject to being deported. Or they missed a certain deadline that they didn't understand that deadline was for their specific case. And then there's no relief available for them. They find themselves in deportation. They don't know that they can apply for a certain benefit, for example, to protect their status. And then they lose it, and then they find themselves in a very bad situation. So it does happen a lot.
It seems like every time we have you on, there's a common theme of knowledge is power.
It really is.
And so the good thing we know is that you're here to help.
Yes.
How can you help in this situation?
Definitely. I mean, our office, we explain the process to the client. We ensure that we have the proper experience in being able to facilitate the process properly. We know what the government wants, and we know how to present their case to the government.
All right. We're intrigued, as always, and we know there's more information. Again, knowledge is power, so we got to go to the great source that we have here in you, Saman.
Thank you.
Where can we go for more information and more facts?
Definitely. You can visit our website at www.us-ilc.com. You can also catch us on our social medias at immigration_attorney_SAMAN. And obviously our phone number, 954-589-1180. We are open 7 days a week.
There you go. Not hard to find at all. Saman Movasagi-Gonzalez, thanks so much for coming back.
Thank you.
Of course, we love you always in studio, but we also love you as our trusted advisor in immigration law.
Appreciate
you.
So much.